2,500 participate in Hitachi Energy India's The Energy Run 2.0 in Bengaluru. Hitachi Energy India successfully organized the Energy Run 2.0 in Bengaluru on Sunday, drawing participation from over 2,500 runners, including employees, customers, partners, Hitachi Group companies in India, and their family members. The event was held under the inspiring theme, Together, We Power India, symbolizing collective strength, collaboration, and the shared commitment to the nation's growth. The run emphasized the importance of health, well-being, and physical resilience, highlighting how a balanced lifestyle contributes to sustained performance and long-term success in the workplace. Participants competed across 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 10 kilometers categories, making the event inclusive and accessible to individuals of all fitness levels and age groups. From left to right at the event were Ms. Neha Ahluwalia, CHRO India and South Asia Region, Hitachi Energy India, and Mr. N. Venu, Managing Director and CEO India and South Asia, Hitachi Energy, who joined the participants in celebrating the spirit of togetherness. Sharing his thoughts on the occasion, Mr. N. Venu said, "The Energy Run reflects the way we work at Hitachi Energy, driven by a spirit of oneness. It reinforces our belief in nurturing health and well-being as vital enablers of personal and professional excellence." With a presence in India for nearly 75 years, Hitachi Energy continues to play a vital role in strengthening the country's critical infrastructure across utilities, industry, transportation, data centers, and urban development, while fostering a people-centric culture rooted in well-being and sustainability.
5K and 3K, and along with our partners, customers, and also our employees and the families are taking part. I'm super excited about this Energy 2.0 run, and thank you very much.
So what is the purpose for
The purpose is to showcase that how we are powering, in India's energy transition. We are powering in India's energy transition is so huge. Renewables are powering, and also the data centers need to be powered. Our Hitachi Energy's technologies are powering that, and this is the purpose how our employees are working together in this great, important initiative, and that is what we want to showcase here.
why was Bangalore chosen for this?
Bangalore is our headquarters of Hitachi Energy, and we are very happy to be in Karnataka, and we have been investing in Karnataka, and we have our factories in Peenya, in Dodabalapur, in Mysore, and we continue to invest in our factories and our offices, and we are expanding here, and that's why it's we have chosen this as our initiative. That
Energy 2 is different from Energy 1.
Energy 2 is much bigger scale, and many of our Hitachi companies are also participating here. Last year we were less than 2,000 people. Today we are 3,000 plus people. So that's different, and every year we are becoming bigger and bigger as we go forward.
Is this run linked to any social or green cause?
It is showcase also how we are that's what energy transition is all about, in ensuring that sustainable living, sustainable thing is corner of our strategy, and we continue to drive that. Thank you.
Become an annual event?
It is. This is Energy 2.0, and every year it is becoming bigger and bigger as we go forward.
Finally, your key message for this.
Run for yourself, and run for the country, run for Hitachi, and run for everybody, and take care of this. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Neha Ahluwalia, HR Head, India and South Asia, Hitachi Energy. So very excited this morning to be here celebrating this run, a health movement that we wanted to start two years back, actually, which is called Energy Run 2.0. This is really exciting day for us, because we come together with the real motto of our company of bringing together the entire organization to run together on the streets of Bangalore, actually on the heart of Bangalore, really celebrating a lot of things in terms of unity, in terms of diversity, in terms of inclusion that we want to drive as an organization. Very great movement also from a health perspective. We want to drive as an organization. It's a total people organization. We drive a lot of people initiatives, and one of that we want to really run this like a flagship program. So very excited, and today also we have around more than 2,000 people. We didn't have the count yet, but more than 2,000 people running again on the streets of Bangalore. 10K, 5K, 3.5K. We have already flagged off 2 once, and then now we'll see the another one as well. So really excited, and as HR head, I want to drive such movements which bring people together, bring organizations together for a larger purpose.